Hello everyone, my name is Kuriyama from Lasermoon Company Limited. For those of you who manufacture jewelry using 3D printers, I would like to introduce X-Stripper, a technology that makes support material removal easy. It neither uses low flash IPA nor alcohol. It safely and completely removes support material from fine hold at room temperature. Please take a moment to watch the video. Thank you. What is your impression of the video? The removal was completed in several minutes. If you have any question or inquiries, please contact us through our website. Thank you.